Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have something special for all the DIY nail lovers out there, the AILLSA Short Square Nail Tips. If you've been looking for the best glue on nails, clear, high quality, and easy to use, then these tips are the perfect option for you. These AILLSA Short Square Nail Tips are made from a superior jelly material that's not only flexible but also highly durable. You can create stunning nail art at home without spending money on expensive salon visits. Whether you're doing a simple design or something more intricate, these nails offer a great foundation to work on. What makes these nail tips stand out is their natural jelly feel. The material is designed to mimic the look and feel of real nails, providing a comfortable and natural experience. You don't have to worry about them breaking or cracking easily. The jelly formula is strong, so whether you're typing, doing chores, or holding items, these nails stay intact. The best part about these AILLSA Short Square Nail Tips is how easy they're to use. They come pre-filed, meaning you won't have to spend extra time shaping them. The thicker front edge and thinner back edge ensure they fit comfortably and securely, offering a breathable, flattering look. Plus, the matte texture on the inside of the nails helps them adhere better when you apply glue, making them even more reliable. These nails come in 12 different sizes, with 18 tips per size, so whether you have wide, narrow, or average nail beds, you're sure to find the perfect fit. No need for additional shaping or cutting. Plus, they're designed to last. Many users report that they can last over 21 days with proper care. Another reason you'll love these nail tips is that they come with everything you need for a full DIY manicure at home. Whether you're doing it for yourself, as a gift for someone special, or just having a fun nail art night with friends or family, the versatility of these nails makes them a fantastic choice for any occasion. So, if you're looking for a great gift idea for birthdays, Mother's Day, or Valentine's Day, the AILLSA Short Square Nail Tips make a perfect present. Their practical function and chic look are sure to impress anyone who loves doing their nails. That's it for today's review of the AILLSA Short Square Nail Tips. They truly are the best glue on nails clear, making DIY manicures at home a breeze. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews from Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.